Hi everyone, this is Danilo Ree, and I'm teaching English language learner strategies for mathematics and particularly in geometry. Right now at the end of the year we're working on the area, surface area volume and volumes for three-dimensional objects. And what I have for our strategy is called what we call an attribute chart. So an attribute chart, we're going to be actually looking at different pictures that hopefully will be in color. Looking at these pictures and figure out which ones have the following attributes, which will help us memorize those important formulas for both surface area and also for volume. Our first object is our cone. So now look at the cone. Do we think it has two identical bases? So we would just write down, in this case, no. Does it have one base? And we put yes. The base of the cone is where you can put the ice cream. Does it have a lateral surface area? We're going to put yes. And do you have to divide by 3 to find the volume? And the answer would be yes. And are we going to be using pi? So that's going to be for our cone. Now we're going to look at our cylinder. Our cylinder could be something looking such a common object such as a Coca-Cola can or a can of tuna. Does it have two bases? Yes. Does it have one base? That's just one base. Has a lateral surface area? Well, in this case, it's just going to be the height. So it's not lateral in terms of it's at an angle. Do you have to divide by 3 to find the volume? The answer would be no. And does it have circles or uses pi? And the answer is yes. Now our next object is our sphere, which would be a basketball or even the globe of the world. Does it have two identical bases? The answer would be no. It has, has no base. That's why it always rolls down the hill. Does it have one base? No either. Does it have a lateral surface area? Not really. And does it divide by 3 to find the volume? Yes. And does it use circles and pi? And the answer would be yes. Now our next object is our famous Rubik's Cube. Well, there's people who could solve Rubik's Cubes in 5 minutes. I'm not one of those people. So look at, does it have two identical bases? And the answer would be yes there. Does it have one base? No, just one base is not. Does it have a lateral surface area that's not different from the height? Then be no. Does it divide by 3 to find